is how it is here in Oberon showground. You notice all those trees, they are colorful. Yeah, I think they are drying the leaves because it's starting to be winter here in Australia. Yeah, a lot of colors. Actually, here in Oberon, sometimes there is snow. It is already almost 11 o'clock. Already took a shower. Yeah, that is the shower area. And they have a very hot water. The same temperature like those in Dubai. In Dubai, even if there is a water heater control, even if you don't switch the heater, the water is still hot during summer. And the water heater, the hot water they have has no control, but the hotness is bearable. Okay, we're now going to bike around to explore the place. Yeah, this is the leaves that's drying already. And now I realized that every inland city or inland town has a very big or very wide roads like this, similar to Wagga Wagga, Bathurst, Young, Cowra, etc. Yeah, most of those cities and town has a very wide roads like this. It is very quiet. Yeah, less people. I mean, I don't see any people in the neighborhood. This residential area. And we are now here in the town center. I was here last night but didn't see much of the things because it was dark in the night. Yeah, lots of dry leaves because of winter. There is this Foodworks grocery. Foodworks is a kind of grocery in most rural areas. So we're just walking around here and yeah, less people, but those three people that I've seen along the way, they greet me good morning first. Yeah, and then I said good morning. Very nice. And this is how I look today. I am like a bike packer because of my bike bag with me. In case you don't know, in 2019 I did bike travel with this bike from Nelson Bay to Brisbane. It took me about 16 days to get to Brisbane. Yeah, and then coming back to Nelson Bay, I just took the bus. But I really treasure that experience of bike travel. It was amazing. I actually wanted to do that again in the future, but in Europe. Bike travel, bike packing in Europe. Yesterday I decided that I am going to Jenolan caves to see the caves. I saw in the picture it's really nice, but then yeah, when I check, you really need to book in advance because they have a scheduled tour to get inside the caves. It is not publicly open that you can go anytime you want. We are just going to explore whatever we see along the way, but we are still going to Jenolan. He spoke to me, he said, "It's a beautiful shop, isn't it?" I said, "Yes, lots of beautiful things inside." So walking around the city center or the town center of Oberon, yeah, the major grocery that they have is the Foodworks and IGA. There's no Woolworths, there's no Coles. We are at the moment here in the like outdoor store, and I'm actually going to buy one of these because I forgot my socks. Yeah, the winter socks. This is $11, $11.95, and inside of this is like this, so it's going to be warm in the, especially in the night. It's good to shop in a local shop like this because sometimes these are not available in in the popular Kmart, Target. This one is a freezer and it's $249. There is the smaller one, just $199, but I don't have budget for that yet, so just this one. Okay, and we go. And the campground where I'm staying is just that one, so maybe a 2-3 minutes walk to the town center. Look at this. This Peter's Cafe. And on their menu they have this spring roll with rice. That's looks a little Filipino. Yeah, so I don't know. Actually, I'm going to check inside. Yeah, spring roll with rice is Filipino to me. Another thing is the stir fried noodles. Okay, we go inside, we check. So they don't have, yeah, the spring roll with rice is not available. And so I decided to buy just this sausage roll. And this is $6. Yeah, the guy working actually in that restaurant is Filipino. So we had a little chat. He said to me that going to Jenolan is a little bit tricky. I mean, he said you need to be good knowledge in driving. So probably it's like a mountain and a lot of cliff. And he also said that the nearest city is the Bathurst. Yeah, if you remember, I went to Bathurst before. The one with the panorama racing circuit, where I drive with my Suzuki Jimny on the racetrack. So this is the end of the city center, of the town center. No residential area in this part. And yeah, like what I've said, that spring roll rice is a Filipino thing. And that Filipino guy is alone, he's working by himself. Probably because not busy. Look at those hills and mountains. Yeah, they are making this park beautiful. They're adding more facilities. Like on that side there's like a playground with swing. There's a car park. There's a pond here. There's an ice skating rink on that side, picnic area. Not ice skating but skateboard rink. Yeah, that's beautiful over there. The hills and the mountain have the grass similar to this. And the name of the place is the Oberon Common. So this is basically, this is like one of their major park. And we are back here in the Oberon showground. There is a new camper. Yeah, there's a new camper. But we're going to get a closer look because I saw there is kind of horses that is running inside. Good afternoon.
Mate, can you step back away from the track so these horses don't shy at you?
Okay, sorry, thank you.
Thank you. Give me tip there.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's all I want to see. I don't know what kind of sport is that. So we are now here. The road is closed. If I'm not mistaken, this is because yeah, to get to the Jenolan caves you must have a booking, and that's what I think. I'm not sure about it yet, because going to Jenolan cave is a very steep descent. Yeah, so it's not easy to drive. Actually, it says there, road ahead not suitable for trucks and buses, caravans or trailers. Okay, so we are now down here in the I don't know if this is the Jenolan caves. So basically like this is the control. And we are going inside of this. Like there is a restaurant or maybe hotel. And you know, because this one is in the lower parts of the mountain, I mean, yeah, I feel a little bit my ears, probably because of the pressure. Similar if you go in the elevator higher up, you feel the same on your ears, the same like when you're on the airplane. If I'm not mistaken, the ticket for this Jenolan cave tour is $100. I tried to check online but there's no way to book for today. Should be in advance. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floor building is under the mountain. This is actually the 6-foot track here. So this is the 45 kilometers walk all the way to the Blue Mountains. If you remember, I was there yesterday. Yeah, so this connected to that. And I just asked the lady inside the reception, and she said that can I actually buy a ticket to the cave somewhere here. Okay, so I just get inside and I bought this ticket. Yeah, this is $52, but I need to wait until 3 o'clock. The time now is about 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's over there. And look at these poles, a tiny poles. Yeah, I'm back here in the car and I touched this and it's hot. I can smell a burning tire. So I am waiting for the 3 o'clock tour inside the cave. And while waiting, I am having this donut that I bought 3 days ago, last Monday. Today is Wednesday. Should I make a copy? You see that Toyota Land Cruiser GXL? Yeah, that's my new favorite car. This is their underground river. As you can see, it looks like glass, but it's actually a water. Yeah, and some of the water is coming from the top. Really nice. This is the very first thing that amazed me getting into this cave. I don't know if I'm going to see something more. We'll see.
Do you remember what it smelled like? Rotten egg gas.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think iron sulfide, it's called. Yeah. It stinks.
Yeah, it stinks.
Yes, all of this decoration is from the action of rainwater. Can dissolve calcium carbonate from the limestone, and when the droplet reaches the inside of the cave, right leg to the next step. Otherwise, one will get.
So yeah, it becomes beautiful looking because of the different lights giving a different projection. Yeah, for me it is going to be more interesting if it's totally dark and you use only a torch to see the the shape and the texture. Would be amazing. Yeah, lucky are the people who in the old civilization who discovered this place. They can really distinguish or describe the difference between their discovery and in the current looks or current situation of these caves. There is a tour guide, but of course there are a lot of dates and scientific name that is not easy to remember. So basically there are different sections of going to the caves. Like this one is going to the Diamond Cave, Imperial Caves. Yeah, there's a different route. And then there's another way here. This going to Lucas Cave, River Cave, pull-up services. Yeah, it's going this side. And there's one more on the side, but it's closed. Maybe they are doing kind of renovation. So it means that if you come here, you won't be able to see the different caves in one go. Yeah, and you are back here outside. Okay, that's it for this Jenolan caves. Yeah, some of the tourists, they are staying in this hotel. Oh, look at this. There is one lyrebird. A lyrebird. If you remember last time in my previous vlog, we saw a lyrebird. Oh, it's very fast. It's there already. Okay, we're back here in the car park, and it smells like a burning tire. No, it's just recording. Just a video vlog. Because going up is a one-way road, and so we are all waiting here for all the cars coming from upstairs to go down here. And then once those finish, we are starting to go up. There is actually a guide that is guiding us.